In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on a Windows PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Adobe Photoshop is one of the world's most powerful image editing programs. Whether you're editing photos, creating graphics, designing social media posts, or working on digital art, Photoshop offers all the tools you need. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but any browser will work. Next, search for Adobe Photoshop. From the search results, open the official Adobe website, adobe.com. Since Photoshop is a subscription-based application, you'll need to purchase a plan to use it. Adobe also offers a free trial if you'd like to test the software before subscribing. If you haven't already, choose the plan that best fits your needs and complete the subscription process. Once you're signed into your Adobe account, go to adobe.com and search for Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is the desktop application that lets you download, install, and manage Photoshop and other Adobe apps. Click Download Creative Cloud, and once the installer has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder and run the Creative Cloud setup file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. You'll be asked to sign in with your Adobe account if you haven't already. After Creative Cloud opens, click the Apps tab on the left-hand side. Find Adobe Photoshop in the list of available apps, then click Install. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer performance. Once it's complete, the Install button will change to Open. Click Open to launch Adobe Photoshop, and you're ready to start creating and editing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching.